Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to teach about UI Builder overview. So what is UI Builder? How it looks, how we install it, how we navigate it, why we use UI Builder. Okay, so all these kind of things we will learn. Okay, uh, s- so let's see our agenda. Our agenda is like within UI Builder. Within UI Builder, what all the topics we are going to cover. Okay, so this is a series. Okay, UI Builder. This is I'm creating a series of UI Builder sections. Okay, so in this series, in total series, what it will contain. So that we will see. And comparing between the UI builder and a service portal, what is the main difference between the UI builder and service portal? How we use UI builder? Okay, like using the UI builder and take like I will show you demo like how in the personal instance. Okay, like how the UI builder looks, what all the objects we have, what all the buttons are, what all the uh, topics we have. So I will show you a demo, a practical demo. Okay, so let's see within the UI builder. So before going explaining within the UI builder, what is UI builder? UI Builder is nothing but an next experience UI framework is a JavaScript framework within ServiceNow. It allows developer to create modern web-based user experience using reusable web components. Okay, UI Builder is a web user interface builder that is a part of next experience UI framework. Okay, so UI builder can be used to build pages for configurable workspace. Okay, and app engine, studio, generated workspace, and portals. So all these things we use. Okay, UI builder is used. The main purpose of UI builder is used to build pages for workspace or custom web experience. Okay, within UI builder, you can you can do the following to configure. Okay, your web to configure your web experience. Okay, so like create or configure pages, configure page layout, add components to a page, configure and style components that can communicate and react each other, set up data resources and use data binding to enable components to fetch and display data, define event handlers for baseline events, create a client state parameter to store page level data, add client scripts. So all these, okay, we are going to explore in this series. Okay, so what is UI builder? UI builder is used to build pages for workspace or custom web experiences. So that we will see. Okay, so now let's see comparing UI builder versus service portal. Okay, before comparing that, UI Builder is not capable of building or configuring out-of-box service portals like Employee Center or service portals. Okay, you should continue to use Service Portal Designer for this purpose. UI Builder is for building some pages and workspace or something like that, not building service portals or employee centers. UI Builder is a the UI Builder is a user-face interface page builder for fulfilled experience in ServiceNow. It uses the ServiceNow JavaScript framework built on web component standards and similar to React. Okay, configure and customize one of our 40 plus out-of-box workspace or create your own workspace or starter portal experience with App Engine Studio. So all this we are going to review it in this series. Okay, what is Service Portal? Is a web user face interface portal builder for requester experience in ServiceNow. It is built on and uses AngularJS widgets. Okay, Employee Service Center is our current recommended service portal. Okay. So capability. What is the capabilities, okay, in UI Builder and Service Portal? You see the end user target audience. In UI Builder, the fulfillers are the target audience. In Service Portal, it is the requester. Okay, it is the requester. Portal compatibility. Workspace and small development portals and enterprise and customer portals. Okay, responsive, no, it is yes. Okay, pixel perfect design, no, and service portal is yes. Service catalog, very limited support, fully supported. ATF testing, limited support for our for form component supported. Public pages, default to setup. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, so using, okay, so now how we use a builder, UI builder. Okay, so we go to application manager and you check, you see the UI builder is installed or not. If not, install it. Okay, so UI builder, you can see, you can get updates are now available in store, ServiceNow store on quarterly basis. Okay, so all these things you need to update it. So now let's see how what is UI builder, how do we navigate all these things. Okay, so take a tour. Log into your customer instance. Okay, let's suppose we can go to UI builder. Okay, so by typing the UI builder in the left navigation panel and click on UI builder. Okay, so you open all different experiences, all the different kind of out of the box experiences. Like we have almost 63 page collections we have. Okay, so all these things we have. So if I open anything like CMDB workspace, okay, this is an UI builder. Okay, so it opens a UI builder. Okay, so all these things. So for example, if I open a home page inside it, okay, so you can click on here UI path, it will open the CMDB workspace, how it looks. Okay, so how it looks, it will open. Okay, CMDB workspace or something like that. Okay, so if I open the home page or landing page, this is the pages. Okay, so how do we create all these pages? Everything we will see in the upcoming sessions. Now we will see these topics. So it's loading. So it's in read-only page. Okay, as a protection policy. Okay, so I will click on edit. Okay, or duplicate variant, or maybe I will open some other workspace to show you. Okay, in the clear picture, like something like access analyzer. I will open and some default. Okay, so it is in global application. Okay, so if I click on edit in okay, so everything preview buttons will be available. So if I click on cancel, so these buttons will not be available, or maybe I will select the application called access analyzer. Okay, and apply. So it will set. Okay, so you see here this button. Okay, this button is called an UI Builder homepage. Okay, and it opens the UI Builder homepage where a list of all experiences available. For example, if I want to click on this, if I click on this one, so it opens all the experiences available. So let's me click on this one and click on home button. Okay, so this is like experience view. Okay, so what experience, what is the name? Okay, name displays the following information about experience like name, URL path, all these things it displays. Okay, application scope, this is application scope. Here you have which app shell it is. Okay, select the item to open in editor mode, all these things available. Okay, so all these are okay. So all this is called a view. Okay, so this is an page variant selector. So these are the pages available in this experience. If I click drop down, so all these are pages available. This is home page, default page. Okay, so all the pages available in this experience. Okay, so this is a page variant selector, and this is an editor. So if you are selecting editor section, so this you are editing the pages. Okay, if you are setting icon, so then it is shows you the name, conditions, audiences. Okay, all these things, availability, to whom it is available. Okay, if any ACLs are there, ACLs will be available, so everything will be displayed here. Okay, so that is the editor. So this is page settings. Okay, and this is called a stage. We call it as a stage. All these things is called a stage, and displays the layout. Layout is like how many layouts we are using in this page. Okay, this is layout, this is layout, this is layout. Okay, so all these are layout, and available on selected page. Okay, this area where components can be dragged and drop onto the page. So these are called components. Okay, all the components you can add it or remove it. Okay, so all these things. So this is called a stage. We call it the stage. Okay, this we call as a stage. This is application picker, like which application picker we need. Okay, so this is like undo buttons. Okay, nothing to undo. For example, if I select this one, and if I it's like right click. Okay, and delete. So I have deleted it. So you can undo it, or you can go to the list of, like, for example, I have done one list. Okay, so if I removed two times, I have edited, so it is like it is deleted version, it will go, or you can click on reverted version, so it will load it back. Okay, so this is easy for us. Okay, undo and redo things. So redo things also available, and this is preview button to preview the variant how it looks. Okay, so open the URL path or preview. If you click on preview, it will show here. Okay, if I click on open the URL path, it will save and continue, so it will goes to the other page. Okay, you can save it, and you can see what's new and help icons, all these things. Okay, so what else we have? We have a preview button we have checked, and we have help button check. This is like called configuration panel. Okay, this is configuration panel, we'll say. This exposes the appropriate properties needed to configure the selected pages or component. It contains, like configure, configure. It's like editing the page. Okay, configure, editing the page, or properties. Okay, dynamic scripts. What all the things, everything we can write. And the styles, like CSS, styling the page or component, we can see. And this is the events, and this is events can contain list of events for the component page, data resources, or declarative action type, event types. Provide the ability to map events, okay, to an another event holder, all these things. And if you come down here, and here you have client scripts. Okay, so client scripts, create and view the client scripts defined. Okay, this is the client state. Okay, you can create and view the client state parameters defined for the pages. Okay, and this is the data resources. So this is the data resources. Create and view the data resources available for the page. Bind data to components using data resources to dynamically expose data from tables, records, or other elements on your page. Okay, so for now, you see like what all the components we have. Don't try to understand, okay, now itself, because you will get confused. So follow this series. At the end, you will understand how you will write all these things. Okay, don't think that, oh, okay, what is this? How do I use it? Okay, something. Follow the series till end, so you will understand everything in clear matter how we are going to create all these things. So this is called, content tree model. tree panel. Okay, this like looks like trees or something like that. Okay, display the structure and relationship of the container and components on the selected page, all these things. Okay. And what else? And this is a menu. So this is a menu of you can create a duplicate or open variant collection record, open page definitions, open variant record, clear UI builder caches. So all these things. Okay. So everything will be as a menu here. Okay. So that's what we see. Okay, so this is the overview of UI Builder. In the next sections, we will see how do we create a new experience, or in how many methods we see we can create it the experience. Okay, um, experience all these things we will see. Okay, what is so what is UI Builder? The conclusion is like what is UI Builder? UI Builder is a web user interface builder. Okay, so do I need to purchase this application? No, not at all. Okay, you can use UI Builder like this, or if you have App Engine Studio, from there also you can use the UI Builder. Okay, so that's okay. There is no purchase license by default. It is installed. You can use directly from the UI Builder, or you can go to App Engine Studio, and you can from there also you can create it. Okay, so let's catch up in the next section. That is how do we are going to create experiences like access analysis, all these things. Okay, so see you. Bye bye. Thank you.